3-look code will be used to unlock the phone as well as confirm your identity for certain features and apps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Touch ID and Passcode. Tap Turn Passcode on. Enter a passcode. Re-enter the passcode. Enter your Apple ID password and then tap Continue. Tap Require Passcode. Tap the duration after the phone goes to sleep, after which you would like the passcode to be required. To lock the phone, press the sleep or wake button. To unlock the phone, press the sleep or wake button. Press the home button. Enter your passcode.